So today's project is gonna be taking down this chain link fence that separates my front yard from my backyard. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I already took out a little section over here. But it didn't seem too bad. It was over here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I take it out. It's a lot simpler than what I thought. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna start by taking off this door. Most of the hardware is 1/2 inch, but the door is 9/16. And I'm not gonna cut the post on the bottom because I do wanna put some planters and stuff over here. So I'm gonna be digging out the base over here of these poles to the concrete and then just lifting it out of the ground or rolling it out of the ground. But that's the approach I'm gonna take for this one. So as you can see, it's not that deep. It is heavy to pull out together as one unit, but I'm gonna try to because I want to save these fences. I don't want to have to put them back together. So I'm gonna try my best to keep it all together, roll it out of the ground so I can use it another day. So you see I have these pavers lined all throughout the fence line, all around, surrounding the property. So just a little extra work, but it's gonna get done. I have this oddball over here, trying to save this little tree, but I'm not sure if I can. I'm gonna cut this out over here. So you can see the chain link fences inside the bark of the tree. I'm pretty sure that'll come out, but the concrete that's down here, if I try to roll this out, I'm afraid that it's going to take the tree with it. But if it does, it does, I guess. Nothing I could do about it. But I'll try to save it. If not, it is what it is. Can't really seem to make up my mind, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to take the chain link off because I was being a dummy and I didn't realize that it's just one piece. So if I try to dig out this section, these two posts over here, I'll have to take everything else and dig everything else out, and I think that's not gonna be easy. So I'm gonna undo the ties over here. If I have to cut them, I'll cut them. Roll up the chain link fence, get it out the way, and then do these two posts, and then I'll continue taking the fence out as I go down. So I believe that is the way to do it, where I'm not kicking myself in the ass. All right. step, I'm gonna just pull this over and these should just simply drop out. All right. There you go, they're out now. We got it. Woo. Was able to cut the fence, cut the chain link to free it up. So hopefully it does good. So I'm gonna continue going down the line over here. And get it on. The best one yet. Wow. And with that, I'm done. All right. Gotta pull this bad boy out. It's gonna be so much better. Everything's down. I'm happy. Hopefully I can work this area. I got to get some topsoil, fill in all these holes and these low spots that from all the concrete I pulled out and all the rocks I pulled out. And hopefully I could put some planters over here, start growing some things, and utilize this whole yard space. Maybe I'll trim this tree back a little bit. I think it's a cherry blossom tree, but I'll probably trim it back a little bit so that way I could use some of the space over here for growing some type of vegetables and plants. But if you guys can follow along with how crazy I work, this is pulling up these chain link fences is doable with one person and a shovel. So again, if you guys like the video, if you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe. Again, if you guys have any advice, input that can make my videos better or make me better in the work that I do, drop it down in the comment section. And I'll catch you guys next time.